So I wanted to do this little open box from DJ Motorsports for two reasons. One is I want to show you guys the product itself. It's still actually boxed up. I haven't opened the main one yet. And to show you how much attention Tom did, but something about Tom. So this was his support to the Raptor Junkies group. I want to give you all a little story. When he first got into the group, it was a riot. So things changed up. He's been kind of helping me run it better and work on some stuff. Sorry for the voice over here too. Been sick for a few days, but I wanted to show you guys the box that he ships, the third brake light kit for the Gen2 Raptor. I think this also works on the Super Duty. This is a very serious wiring harness. It's all shielded. It's all got weather connectors on it. It's perfectly fine. I think this is possibly one of his LVJ connectors too. The box itself, the way it's boxed, this thing was stapled to the bottom so it doesn't move. And then when you open it, it's also stapled up. It's pretty serious that you gotta get like a screwdriver and pry it open or something like that. Let's see how we're gonna tackle this. Just move this out of the way. This thing is Fort Knox in here. It's got gaskets, the lights, card, additional. John, you gotta tell me what this is for. I'll probably be calling you a few times. A sticker or two. It's pretty awesome. All the bolts, and this is the kit that you don't have to drill into the top of your truck, which I would never do that. I don't ever advise you guys to do that. Let's keep on opening this. Man, this is serious. The super wrap. And this one I ordered with the NMO antenna mount. It's awesome. It's goldish. This is the other gasket, so you can kind of weather it. I also got me a bottle of Super 77 spray to spray it. Super heavy duty, super high quality. I don't know if you can zoom in for them, if it works. This is your antenna box. I think there's 12 feet of antenna here, so there should be antenna cable. There should be plenty to fish it through. So this is the finish. It's powder coated black. It has little LED lights. I think these are red whenever your truck is. It's really heavy duty.
Let me see the front of it.
Great product, very well finished. Thank you very, very much, Tom, for sending this. It's not even scratched, so that's awesome. I'll be doing a full install video and soliciting his help and other people who've installed it soon, and I will share all that with you and show you the finished product. We're going to be using this in our upcoming runs for the Raptor Junkies. We're going to be doing runs all over. The website should be coming up in the next couple of days. I have a lot more about that. I'll do a new video to explain to you what is going on with the website. It's not just the website. And we'll share some more with you. Thanks for joining us here, and I appreciate it, Tom. Thank you very much. We'll see y'all later.